My name is Andrew Perrodin. I'm the Field Technology Manager at Patriot Industries. Patriot Industries is a heavy civil and concrete contractor here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. SITECH has become an essential part of our field operations and also our office operations. The job in Abita Springs that we're working on is a Copart facility, which is a massive laydown yard. We'll be using SITECH's products for the entirety of the job. We have drone capabilities that allow us to shoot point clouds for jobs that we can import into Trimble Business Center and create topographic surveys of an existing site. We do rolling surveys with Trimble's products where we'll put a rover on a four-wheeler and we can drive a site. Without SITECH's products and assistance on our jobs, it would be a lot more difficult for field operations. These tractors, in use with the technology, have automatic capabilities that allow the operator to drive the tractor, and the technology can do most of the work. It's saving our project managers time because we can fix models and we can do stuff in-house and send it out to the guys. They can understand what the job looks like without actually having to have a plan set in front of them. We can provide that for them. SITECH provides multiple different trainings. They're very helpful in the field. They have made a point to help us understand the technology. For anybody considering working with SITECH, it'd be a great choice. They've helped us improve our field operations. They've helped us understand all the products that they offer, and additional products that they see are definitely an option to help us improve in the field and in the office.